Hello everyone, I am Sneha, Assistant Professor, Department of ECE, Siddhartha Academy of Higher Education, deemed to be University. Now let us start discussing about strings. String is the built-in class. The shortcut to represent string is str. It represents one or more sequence of characters. It is enclosed in either single or double quotations. It can contain alphabets, numbers, special characters, and white spaces. So as you can see on the screen, there is a sample program. Um, Wipro in single quotations is assigned to a variable called S1, and welcome to Wipro in double quotations is assigned to a variable called S2, and at the rate in single quotations is assigned to S3. So now there are three print lines with the print of type of S1, type of S2, type of S3. Here type of represents the data type of S1, a data type of the variable declared. Okay, type of S1 means S1. As we have discussed in above points, that string can be declared either in a single quotations or double quotations. So S1 has a Wipro in single quotations, so which means Wipro is a string. Then S2, welcome to Wipro, is also declared in double quotations, so it is also a string. Next, third one, type of S3, at the rate is declared in single quotations, so it is also a string. So the output will be class string. Next, different ways of creating a string using single quotations and double quotations we have already discussed. Using triple single or double quotes for multi-line string. You can use, if there are a multiple lines to be stored, you can use a single double quotations or a triple single quotations, as you can see on the screen. Next, strings are immutable. Any changes made to the string content is stored in a new location. The original content will remain unaffected. Immutable means we cannot change. Execute the below programs and check. See, there are two programs below, program 1 and program 2. Let us discuss about program 1. Hello is assigned in S1. Next, second line, S1 dot upper. Dot upper is a method, is a built-in method, which means the string that is assigned to S1 will be converted to uppercase. But see here, there we have given S1 dot upper. S1 dot upper means it will be converted to uppercase. What will be converted to uppercase? The string that is stored in S1. So that is the meaning of S1 dot upper. There we have declared just S1 dot upper. So we are not assigning any variable to it. So the result is not stored anywhere. So original S1 remains unchanged. So print of S1 means the same hello, the same small letter hellos which is stored in S1 will be printed, because dot upper is not saved in a new, is not assigned any new variable. Whereas coming to program 2, S1 is hello like a previous program, S2 is equal to S1 dot upper. Here S1 dot upper is stored, the entire thing is stored in a new variable called S2. Now print of S1 comma S2 means, S1 means a small letters hello will be printed, S2 means capital letter hello will be printed in the output. Next, string provides index based access of each character. Both positive and negative indexing is supported. As I have already explained about these the type of indexing in previous topics, if you start indexing from left to right, indexing will start with 0. If you start indexing from right to left, indexing will start with -1. There we have taken a word called welcome. So the numbers which are at the top of welcome are assigned in from right to left. Right to left means indexing will start with 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, so on up to n. And the numbers which are below welcome are the index numbers that are assigned from right to left. So now print s1 of 0. S1 of 0 means it is the first number, first indexing number. So the letter that is in first indexing number is W, so it prints W. Second line, print of S1 of -4. -4 means, see there, a letter C is stored in a -4, so it prints C. So now string using loop. See again, here also there we have taken two programs, program 1 and 2. Let us see program 1 first. A word called Wipro Technologies is a string. Sorry, actually we should call it as a string, not a word. The string called Wipro Technologies is stored in S1, a variable S1, and we have taken a for loop, which means it iterates through each character in S1 directly. A letter takes the value of each character one by one. End is equal to single quotation prevents new lines between characters. And program 2, see the program 2. There are two different ways of taking for loops here. The second type is uses range. There in the second for loop we have taken a method, a word called range. It is used to generate indices from 0 to length -1. It accesses each character using s1 of I. Length of s1 returns number of characters. Next, let us discuss about string slicing. Slicing is extracting a part of the string using indexes. Syntax s1 of start index colon end index. End index is excluded. S1, so S1 we are taking a string called Wipro in S1. So see the first method, S1 of 0 is to 2 or S1 of only is to 2, which means it extracts from index 0 up to index 2, not excluding 2. 0 to 2, not excluding 2 means only WI will be printed in the output. See the second one, S1 of 0 is to 5 or S1 of 0 or S1 of is to 5. So S1 of 0 is to 5 means it prints all the letters from 0 to last. S1 of 0 is to means it, again this also has the same meaning but the way of representing is different. It also prints start to end. Here 0 starting position is given and ending position is not given, which means it prints all the letters up to end. Next one, S1 of S1 of 5. Here starting position is not given, only ending position is given. So which means it starts counting from first position and it goes up to last. See the third one, S1 of -3 and -1 means third from the end excluding the last character. It prints PR. Next, S1 of -4 is to fourth from the end to end of the string. string slicing, again it is a continuation of previous slide. S1 is Wipro is assigned in S1. So print S1 comma ID of S1 means it prints S1 and also the address of S1. Next S2 is equal to S1 of 1 is to 5. Print of S2 comma ID of S2 means again it prints it. See there, S1 of 1 is to 5 means it starts printing from index 1. So index 1 means it excludes the um, letter W and rest all will be printed and also along with the address. Format slicing. So concatenation means we have to add combining both the strings. We can concatenate strings simply by using a plus operator. See there, S1 has Wipro, S2 has Technologies. Print of S1 plus S2 means it just prints Wipro Technologies, combining both the strings. And see the last line, print of S1 plus, there is some empty space between the double quotations and plus S2. Empty space between the double quotations means we are giving a space between both the strings. And see the output, Wipro space Technologies, and the previous output is, it is, there is no space between both the strings. And here, concatenating a string with other data types like integer or float results in a type error. See, S1 is a string and number is equal to 2233, which is an integer. So now if we print S1 plus number, S1 is a string and number is an integer, how can we print an integer plus and a string? So both are different data types, so it will definitely give you an error. So in order to rectify this error, we have to use a method called format. Next, use flower braces in the string. Later these flower braces can be replaced by value. See, like S1 has my employee number is flower braces and number has 2233. Now if you write print S1 of S1 dot format of number means, format of number means the number that is assigned to a variable num will be printed in S1. Like my employee number is 2233. Next, here also a name is Arjun and age is 25. S1 has my name is flower brackets and I am flower brackets means my name is, it will print my name is Arjun and I am 25. Here also same, S1 has welcome to formatting technologies and again 0 is one multinational corporation. So P1 is has a Wipro, has a string called Wipro and P2 has a string called Indian. So now print S1 dot format of P1 comma P2 means those will, these P1 will be replaced in a place 0 and P2 will be replaced in a place 1. Next, built-in methods. These are the important built-in methods. Upper, as we have seen an example in previous slides, it converts every entire string to the uppercase. Lower means it converts entire string to a lowercase. Is upper means returns true if all the characters are in upper space. Uppercase means if any, even if any one of the letter in a string is in lowercase, it prints false. If only it prints true only if all the letters of a string are in uppercase. Lowercase means it prints true only if all the letters of the string are in lowercase. Even if a single letter is uppercase, it prints false. Is digit, return true if all the characters are digits. Is alpha, returns true if all the characters are alphabets. Capitalize means converts the first character to uppercase. Swap cases means toggles the cases upper to lower and lower to upper. Strip, remove spaces from front and end. starts with value, returns true if string starts with the specified value. Count of value returns the number of times a specified value occurs in a string. Replace old value, new value. Returns a string where all occurrences of old value is replaced with new value. Index value searches the string for a specified value and returns the index of where it was found. Split separator splits the string at the specified separator and returns a list. Returns a list. See the examples of the built-in methods. S1 is Wipro, which is everything is in small letters. S1 dot upper means it converts everything to uppercase, and you can see the output beside the program. Next, S2 is hello in uppercase. If you write S2 dot lower, everything prints in the lowercase. You can see the output at the right side. S3 is ABC in uppercase. If you write S3 dot is upper, means every letter of the string is uppercase, so it prints true. S4 is XYZ in lowercase. E is lower means all the letters in the S4 are lowercase, so it prints true. S5, hi, hello, how are you? Everything is in lowercase. And dot count of H means how many times H is repeated, it will give you count. There are 3 H's in the string, so it gives output 3. See the right side. S6 is admin. S6 dot index of M means dot index of M means in the given string it gives the index value where M is located. So admin A01D M2. So 2 is printed at the output. Sorry, at the output on the right side. Next, Python session dot split means Python that the string Python is printed separately and the string session is printed separately. Next, S8 has some different characters. Dot replace at the rate comma dollar means dollar will be replaced everywhere where there is at the rate, and you can see its output at the right side. Thank you.